Hi there, we've come out onto the nursery floor. We're taking a look at the beautifully lush, the almost tropical looking Fatsia out here. I adore Fatsia because it's so versatile. In actual fact, this is a great plant for growing in a slightly more shady area, and it gets nice and big if you want it to as well. We're talking 1.5 meters, couple of meters height and spread here, but it's really valuable for putting into those shady spots. And as we know, it actually isn't that fussy on soil type. It'll even grow in that heavy, thick clay soil that I've got in my garden. It is lush, it does look tropical, but actually is winter hardy as well. So this is going to see you through those winters, and it produces gorgeous flowers later on in the year, sort of October, November and into December time. These beautiful white kind of ball-shaped flowers you get on here that is fantastic for those late pollinators. So it's winter hardy, it's easy to grow, it looks lush and tropical, and it stays that way all year round. It's definitely a top tip from me, one you need to add into your basket.